Hi DIYers, Joe here from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about how to connect an iPhone to a Lyric security system. Today I have my iPhone 7 right here, and we have a Lyric right up here on the wall, and we're going to talk about the two ways that you can connect it. One way that you can connect it is using the free app called My Home Controller. You'll be able to download this on the Apple App Store or on the Android App Store. It's a free app to download, and it connects the phone to the system over the Wi-Fi network. It's limited on what it allows you to do, but it will allow you to arm and disarm the system, activate any Z-Wave devices you have programmed, and check out older model IP cameras that you have associated with the system. It's really easy to set up, and we actually have a lot of customers that use it with a spare tablet or phone they have in the house as a spare virtual keypad. Really convenient to use and very easy to set up. All you have to do is, on the system first, we're going to click on Tools, enter the master code, 1234, and then from here we're going to click on Keypad. With this menu loaded up on our phone now, we're going to click on the My Home Controller app, and as you can see, the phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Lyric, and it instantly will join up to it as long as we have this menu loaded up on the Lyric itself. The app itself has a very similar, if not identical, user interface, and as you can see, you can do security, you can arm the system, you can check the zones, any system information. I believe this is for bypassing. Yep, you can bypass all. It's the same menu that's on the Lyric itself. If we go home and we click on automation, you'll see it's the same automation menu as on the Lyric, and you can't do much more with it. You won't be able to activate any scenes and rules that you have programmed to your Total Connect or on the Lyric itself, but it's an easy way to turn something on or close something if it's open. So that's the My Home Controller app. It's simple in nature, but it works great for what it is. Now, the other app that you can use is Total Connect 2.0. For Total Connect access, you're going to have to get the system monitored, but Total Connect is a much more robust app. It can actually communicate to the system over cellular or Wi-Fi, depending on how the system's set up. So if you have your system on a dual path setup, it will be able to connect to that, obviously. If the Wi-Fi drops and it's just on cellular, it can connect, and it can also connect to the system over only Wi-Fi. Total Connect will allow you to edit users, set up text and email notifications, program in addition to activate any Z-Wave device on your system. You can manage multiple locations through the app, and there's a bunch of other cool stuff you can do with it. It's a very popular app, and a lot of people will activate their system just to get access to Total Connect. As far as the setup for Total Connect goes, that's going to be handled by your security provider. When they activate your system, then they'll be able to set up your app, send you an email which is going to have a link in it which will let you create a password, validate your email address, and log in. So as the setup goes, it's very easy. On your phone, once you download Total Connect 2.0, it's free to download on either store. And if you actually want to check it out, you can download the app, and if you click on the test drive button, it'll load up a demo of it so you can see what it looks like and play around with it. There's also a web interface for Total Connect. If you go to totalconnect2.com and click on the test drive button, you'll be able to try a full demo of that too. But as you can see, it has Touch ID. So if I put my finger here, we'll log in. Now, this Total Connect app is actually connected to a different Lyric security system, but for all intents and purposes, you're going to see the same stuff as you would no matter which system it's connected to. As you can see, you can arm and disarm right here on the main page. We have the weather enabled. We have our automation tab down here. If we had Z-Wave devices on the system, they'd pop up right here. Under cameras, we do have a whole bunch of cameras that are programmed to the system. As you can see, we can scroll down and look at all the different ones. And then under more, you have all your different app settings. It's a great app to use. Honeywell, maybe a little under a year ago, they just revamped the entire app, cleaned it up, made it work much better. It has a modern look now, and it works great. So those are the two ways that you can connect your iPhone to a Lyric security system. If you do have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or jump on chat. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to be updated about future videos when we do post them, click the notification button. We'll send you an update, and reach out with any questions. Have a great day.